Oh no, not more school holidays! Have no fear, Get to Know Animals is here to cure your summer boredom blues. Our Junior Zookeeper for a Day is the adventure that solves all of your holiday headaches. Limited to only 6 spaces per session, our junior rangers will learn how to weigh out and expertly prepare nutritious meals to feed our rescued animals. And they'll even get to hand feed the animals themselves. With the sanctuary closed to the general public and open exclusively for these sessions, your budding mini Attenboroughs will safely learn the fundamental skills of professional zookeeping, including how to maintain animal enclosures, learning the different aspects of animal husbandry, including housekeeping. Definitely a transferable skill for back home. They will create enrichment toys and see them in action, with some very well-deserved playtime with their favourite animals. They'll even go behind the scenes in our vet room and learn how to master health checks and of course complete real zookeeper records. With a certificate awarded at the end of the day, by the time this summer's over, your little ones will be too cool for school. Whilst the other kids have had the social media overload, yours will have had the sociable summer masterclass in animal wizardry. Our amazing Zookeeper for a Day will be available throughout the summer holidays. Book online now at gtka.co.uk.